welcome back to another video at the Slime Lab. Today we're going to be reviewing the Slime Atelier. I'm so excited to be reviewing her. Just to make myself clear, there's only one slime in this box, but I will be reviewing 3 different slimes. 2 slimes came in a different package a few weeks ago, so I will not be showing the packaging on those. As always, don't forget to subscribe down below, leave a like if you enjoyed the video, leave a dislike if you didn't enjoy the video, because it won't affect me if you do, and leave a comment for some video suggestions and other slime shops that I should review. Also, don't forget to buy some slime from my slime shop. The slimes are very cheap, and with the shipping you can get an 8-ounce slime for $10. Let's get in with the slime video. So first off, this bubble mailer is so cute. It's a custom, it's not a bubble mailer, it's just like a package thingy. I don't know, but it's super cute and really custom. I want to get these for my shop too because they're much cheaper than bubble mailers. So let's get into the package. This is sort of hard to open, so I'll be back when I finish opening it. So, let's get right into the package. So, first, this is a little extra. This is so generous. It is a ring pop. It is obviously crushed. You can hear it. It's crushed, but that's okay. Then, the slime is in here. Bubble wrapped really nicely. And then a slime care sheet. Like she doesn't include any borax, and in the last package that I got she didn't include borax, so that's just a thing to think about. So she bubble wraps it very securely in these really cute pouches, and I am really loving these pouches. And she double bubble wraps it. So I have finished bubble wrapping it. It looks like it leaked because I don't know why it leaked. It looks like it leaked a little bit. I can't tell where it leaked. Maybe there's a little crack in the packaging. But I'll be back when I fix this up. I've cleaned that up. Let's get into the package. I don't really see where it leaked. I think it might just have leaked from the top. And it's not Audrey's fault. It's in no way her fault. It's UPS's fault because they abuse their packages. And they really don't care, so that's why this leaked. And she's not going to give me a refund, I don't think. I don't give refunds. I don't send replacement slimes. And I don't think Audrey will, but that's okay because we still get to keep the slime. And it doesn't look like it leaked too much. So this is a butter slime. I love how her stickers are clear on the top. It seems like the slime's unscented. It also seems like it's very sticky. So I'm going to add some activator. You know what, forget the activator because it is called marble butter slime and I want to mix it in for you guys. Oh, it's like really nice. It's a really nice butter slime, guys. Super sizzly. I can't really smell any scents, but that's okay. And with the dark colors, it sometimes does dye your hands. This one is not dyeing my hands whatsoever. I really, really like this. So I just found the cracks. They're right here and here. And that's obviously where the slime leaked out of. It is a little bit sticky, so I think I'm going to add some activator. Okay, so I finally fully activated it. I over-activated a little bit, but that's okay. I'm really mad at myself for doing that, but no, it's okay. It's still super sizzly and still stretchy, and I just realized why she does not include activator or borax. It's because she is a borax-free slime company. Even though you can't really be borax-free, contact lens solution still has borax in it, boric acid, but it still counts as borax. So you can't really be a borax-free slime company, but Who cares? So my final rating on this slime is a 9.5 out of 10. The 0.5 points that I subtracted from her 10 out of 10 perfect score were just the incident with the shipping. It did leak a little bit. Like, I know it's not Audrey's fault. She packages it so securely. I just wanted to point it out. But otherwise, the slime is super sizzly. It's a butter slime. It's really nice. Very stretchy. And I love it so much. It holds a lot of bubbles. And it's just one of my overall favorite slimes ever. So this next one is called, well, it doesn't really have a name. It's just called Black Friday Cloud because it is a Black Friday special. It is a super falling, it's really nice. It's a falling cloud. I'm noticing that there is like white crystals falling out, but the scent is like sour apple watermelon. It smells so amazing. And it's just so nice. It is not clicky, it is spreadable like a lot of cloud slimes are. But it does leave residue on the table and on my hands. So, that's not a good thing. But overall, it's really nice. Overall, I rate this slime a 8 out of 10. I know it is sort of a low rating, but it does leave a lot of residue on the table. Like white residue comes out on my table when I stretch it. Tons of residue is on my hands, and that's why I took away 2 points, but the rest of it is, it's so falling, it's so nice, and it smells just like sour apple watermelon, and I'm just in love with the scent. So, yeah. Let's get on to the last slime. So this one is called Juicy Pineapple. It is sort of overactivated because I overactivated it when I first got it. It was a while ago, so I don't know why it hasn't. Well, this was the state. Like, I activated a little bit and it like turned rock hard. It is rock hard. I only activated it like a tiny bit with the smallest amount of activator, and it just turned rock hard. I don't know why. I don't know if this is Audrey's fault or like she added a lot of activator and then me adding a tiny bit made it like rock hard, but the scent is really nice and it's really glossy too. It smells just like pineapple punch and I love it. It's more like a squishable slime now. I take it out a lot to just like squeeze it and squish it. It's really nice for that, but yeah. So this slime, I do rate a 7 out of 10. I know it is my fault a little bit that it is sort of not stretchy, but it's not stretchy at all. It's like rock hard. But the scent is really nice. It is really glossy too. And I love squishing it and poking it. It's just really stress relieving to poke it and squish it. So this is my full package. My overall review on this package is a 7 out of 10. I'm just a little bit disappointed because I feel like it could have been a lot better. And the pictures on her website look so amazing. And I thought that the slimes would just be a little bit better than they were. But they are still pretty good slimes. I don't know, I'm just disappointed. I've seen other reviews and they were great. I don't know what happened here. Something must have happened. I don't know what happened. The slime leaked. I know it's not her fault. It's just like kind of annoying that it did. I know it's not her fault, but that's one of the reasons that it's 7 out of 10. And I just really hope that you understand and don't get mad at me in the comments. I am doing an honest review, and this is my honest review. I'm just a little bit disappointed. So that is it for this slime video. Don't forget to leave a like down below if you liked the video, and a dislike down below if you didn't like the video, because I really don't care. It won't affect me in any way. You can do whatever you want. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get the Slimeanator squad to 10,000 Slimeanators. Don't forget to leave some comments down below on some video suggestions and other slime shops that I should review. Don't forget to buy some slime down below in my shop. The prices are pretty cheap, so I'm pretty sure that you're going to like the slimes also. So if you liked the video, don't forget to leave a like or dislike if you didn't like it. Don't forget to subscribe and buy some slime from my shop. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye!